Real stories, how the Sixth Amendment protected their rights. Imagine being accused of a crime and not knowing what your rights are or how they can protect you. That's where the Sixth Amendment comes into play, part of the Bill of Rights, which was added to the Constitution to keep the justice system fair. This amendment gives people several important protections when they face criminal charges. It says you have the right to a speedy and public trial, which means your case shouldn't be delayed for years and it should be open for the public to see. You also have the right to an impartial jury, meaning the people deciding your case should be fair and unbiased. Another key right is being told what you are accused of, so you can prepare your defense properly. You have the right to confront witnesses who testify against you, which allows you to cross-examine them and challenge their testimony. The Sixth Amendment also gives you the right to call witnesses in your favor, so you can present evidence and support your case. Most importantly, it guarantees the right to legal counsel, meaning you can have a lawyer to help defend you. If you cannot afford one, the court must provide a lawyer for you. A famous example of how these rights protect people is the case of Clarence Earl Gideon. He was charged with breaking into a pool hall but couldn't afford a lawyer. When he asked the court to appoint one, they said no because Florida law only provided lawyers for serious crimes. Gideon decided to defend himself, but he was convicted and sent to prison. While in prison, he studied the Constitution and filed a handwritten petition to the Supreme Court. He argued that his right to a lawyer had been violated. The Supreme Court agreed and ruled that everyone, even those who cannot afford a lawyer, has the right to legal representation. This decision changed the law and made sure that poor defendants get the help they need for a fair trial. The Sixth Amendment also protects the right to a speedy trial. This means the government can't keep you waiting forever without a trial. It helps prevent wrongful detention and make sure justice happens quickly. The right to an impartial jury is another big part of this amendment. It means that serious crimes must be decided by a group of ordinary citizens, not just a judge, to keep the process fair and balanced. Knowing your rights under the Sixth Amendment is important. If you are accused of a crime, you have the right to a lawyer, to know what you are charged with, to confront witnesses, and to call your own witnesses. You also have the right to a quick, public trial by an unbiased jury. These protections are there to make sure the justice system treats everyone fairly and prevents wrongful convictions. Cases like Gideon's show how asserting these rights can change the outcome of a case and uphold justice. Remember, understanding and standing up for your Sixth Amendment rights helps ensure you get a fair shot in the legal process.